This is your Active Aging Minute, healthy tips for successful aging, brought to you by Active Aging Canada. Today we're talking with John Griffin, an award-winning retired professor, researcher, and author.
The fourth in our series of Active Aging Minutes is going to take a look at tightness of certain muscles. The one we're going to focus on right now is a muscle in the front of our hip. It's called the hip flexor. This particular tightness is very common, whether you're active or inactive, and can affect various areas of your body, particularly your back. Many back problems are initiated because of tightness of these hip flexors. So again, as we did before in the earlier videos, let's take a look at why this is important. Well, first of all, if you have any sort of back pain, it is probably aggravated by tight hip flexors, if not caused by tight hip flexors. If your hip flexors are tight, it also affects the position of your pelvis. So your hip and your pelvis and your back are all connected. And this can have a dramatic effect on its function. If we get to an area of more function, that is walking or jogging if you're still doing that, it can affect the length of your stride or how efficient your stride is and how easy or how well you can perform any activity involving movement of walking or jogging. Or activities such as skating, for instance. If your hip flexors are tight, you'll probably end off the hockey game or the skate with tightness in your lower back. There are a number of skills that involve the hip flexors. Any sort of kicking activity will involve that, so soccer, hiking, particularly hill hiking, that's got some elevation to it. All of these things may be issues. As with our other videos, we're going to take a look at self-assessments that you can establish whether it's an issue for you and continue from there with a number of exercises. Remember, health is our responsibility, but it pays great dividends of quality of life. To make our active aging minutes as fun and as playful as possible. So enjoy your activity, enjoy your quality of life, enjoy your active aging minutes.